Hi, everybody.
Hello.
We are back again. You see, I have my lovely mother back with me, and we are unboxing the FabFitFun Fall 2023 box. So, y'all already know the prices, they'll be listed below. We're going to get into this. All right, so my first customization was between the little Kerber's woven throw and either rust or taupe. That was for $60. Duffel bag from Alice and Olivia, valued at $80. Wine glasses, two-tone or solid, they were valued at $50. The Murad moisturizer for your face, valued at $83. A living proof triple bond complex worth $45, and a curling wand valued at $59.99. I chose the Murad. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous moisturizer. Very thick, very supple, and this is for my mom because I got moisturizer last time. I don't need any more moisturizer.
Thank you, love.
Yes. So it looks very thick, very rich.
Nice.
Yes. And
nice.
Absorbs quickly. Put it on. It's for AM and PM.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Get your glow on. And we know that sometimes
No
the
scent.
fall. Ooh, no scent. Good to know, especially if you have sensitive skin. No scent.
Mm-hmm.
And being in the fall and the weather's about to change, that kind of affect people's skin, make you dry out. Moisturize.
It feels good, and it's not sticky.
See, that was worth it.
Mm-hmm.
And right there, that covered the cost of your box.
How much?
That's worth $83.
Oh, definitely worth it.
Yes,
I know a good moisturizer.
she does. She can't go back to the cheap stuff no more. No more $14.99. The jug this big.
No more Vaseline.
With a hand pump. Yeah, Vaseline.
No more Vaseline.
Vaseline ain't no joke, man. It should not be in the bottle this big with a hand pump.
The jar that's not really all Vaseline, some all brand name petroleum jelly.
Yes. Oh my gosh. No, good. Well, you couldn't go near open flame.
Dollar store.
Oh my gosh, that is just too much. All right, so number 2, we have the Fenty Beauty enhancer, and that was valued at $34. The Centrine spice jars, you got 2 of them, worth $30. The Timberland Buffalo plaid scarf, worth $60. The Cuff bracelet, worth $45. The Reebok 2-in-1 digital jump rope, worth $40. And the Glow recipe plump hyaluronic acid serum was $45. I chose the bracelet. I love emeralds. They're not my birthstone, but I do love them. They're my sister's birthstone, both of them. And I thought that was absolutely gorgeous. And I have tiny wrists, so I wasn't worried about the size.
Yeah. Come from a family of little wrist people.
Yes.
Little wrists and little tiny ankles.
Yes. I don't know how I stand, y'all. I honestly don't.
Me either.
Yes. It's just dumb luck that I can stand up on them tiny ankles. But
that's cute.
Yes.
And that's so you.
So dainty.
Mm-hmm. I really like that. That's cute.
Now to make sure my sisters don't steal it once they see it's their birthstone.
Right.
And with the other one who loves gold, I'm going to have to hide this one.
Oh, it's Alex and Annie. I didn't know that. I love their jewelry. It doesn't change colors.
Very important.
Yeah, I love that jewelry.
Yes, they always have very simple pieces.
Mm-hmm. Nice.
So, customization number 3. We have dry shampoo with $36, hoop earrings worth $65, a blush worth $36, a hairbrush worth $45, a candle worth $40, protein bond mist in super strength. I think that was a hair mist worth $30. A travel pillow worth $29.50. Plates with a set of 4 worth $40, and a Tina hair wrap worth $38. I chose the hairbrush, and if you see this frizz here, you know why.
This is a nice brush.
Yes,
it's pretty.
Good for whacking too.
Must be my daughter.
Yes.
Nice.
And for me, smoothing brushes are everything, especially when you use edge control.
Yeah.
It just gets the flyaways down and calms that hair down.
It's not too hard.
Yes.
Yeah. Won't scratch you up. It's really nice.
And the other one I have is like, it's been a rough couple of years.
Mm.
I rarely ever buy them. That's why they're priced the way that they do. So I needed
Yeah.
a brand new one. I was glad when they came out with this one.
Perfect. And it's pretty.
Yes, it's so pretty.
Yeah, it's pretty on your dresser.
Yes, and mine is like since it's wood back here, it's gotten damaged from like all the crap that I put on it. This one, I don't think it'll get damaged.
No, I don't think so.
Because it's not wood on the back.
Yep.
So
pretty. Nice.
All right. So next option was a Summer Fridays lip butter balm in vanilla beige worth $45. The KBD Beauty Tattoo Liner waterproof liquid liner for $25. Knee socks worth $25. Blood Bloom Buds 48 pack worth $30. The First Aid Beauty Face Cleanser worth $24. Eye cream worth $30, and a 6-month subscription to a meditation app worth $59.99. I chose the lip butter balm. The one that I had before has completely ran out, and I mean that tube has been cut open. So we're going to definitely
that's the color. A tint.
Yeah. Feels good. Not sticky.
Oh, nice for a brown girl.
Yes. I was worried when it was vanilla beige. I'm like, nah, we're going to see how the color comes out.
No, it actually looks good.
Yes. So this is going to be in my purse.
Yeah, just a little slight tint, a little gloss. Yeah.
Yeah. My last one, I cut the tube open.
Yeah, I was worried about it too. When you said the color. I thought,
vanilla beige.
For a vanilla girl? Not for a chocolate girl, but it actually looks really good.
Yes. So I like that one. It feels good. It's not sticky.
It's a lot in here. How much is this?
This one is, let me go back, $23.
Okay.
That seems fair to me.
Yeah. I like it.
All right. So next we have the Hand and Body Wash Sandalwood and Sage worth $39. The Coffee Scrub worth $20. The Salt and Pepper Shakers worth $25. A 4-pack of shower steamers worth $22. And the embroidery kit worth $30. I chose the hand wash. It's clear. Sandalwood and Sage. This is going into my guest bathroom. And how does it smell? It's nice. It's nice. So yes, that's definitely going into my guest bathroom.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah. Yay. I wasn't sure about that one.
You saying it's body wash?
It's hand and wash.
Hand and body wash?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
So I got like guest loofahs.
Yeah.
So that's going in.
Perfect.
Yeah. I was looking at the steamers for the shower because it's like something you put in the shower, and as it heats up, it kind of releases into the air. But it was eucalyptus scent.
Yeah, I don't like that.
Not a fan.
No.
Not a fan. Other than that, I would have got that one. But yeah, once it was eucalyptus, it was a wrap. All right, so the next one is the Mood Perfume worth $40. The Enhancer Palette worth $42. The Heat Protectant worth $20. The Waist Pack worth $40, which is another way of saying fanny pack. Body Lotion worth $28. A Travel Blanket worth $68. Mascara worth $28. A set of 3 storage bins worth $56.95. And a ring box worth $40. I got the Mood Perfume.
Okay, let's see. What kind of mood we in?
I'm in a good mood. I'm not gonna lie, it smells like alcohol.
Smells like alcohol to you?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Rub it in some more. Okay, let me smell it on you. Okay, now you smell it on me.
It smells better on her.
Totally different, y'all. Totally different.
I'm smelling like jasmine and
it is
and vanilla on
wow, it is totally different.
I'm smelling rubbing alcohol on me.
Okay. Yeah, it's the strangest thing. Okay,
you want to keep it?
What's the deal with this? It's different on everybody?
Fragrance notes. It's jasmine, amber, cedar wood, and saffron. And I guess based on your body chemistry,
I don't know, but I'm telling y'all, it smells totally different.
It smells like rubbing alcohol on me. You want to keep it?
Absolutely. It smells good. Okay.
It smells great on her.
Wow.
My body chemistry is my body chemistry is doing something.
It smells like straight up alcohol.
My body chemistry ain't working with it.
That is so funny.
Maybe the Long Island iced tea did something.
Yeah, I had a couple of cocktails, y'all, before this, so I don't know.
Okay, so now you got a perfume.
Wow.
Yes. Oh my gosh.
Well, thank you. I like this. On me?
On you, it smells great. I'm agreeing with you. On you, it is great.
But on you?
On me, it is not working.
So it's true. It's true about.
Yeah. Body chemistry does something different in perfume. So if you ever smell something on your friend and it smelled great, but you got it on you and it smelled like garbage, yeah. Perfumes are different for different people.
Wow.
And now we have our mystery box. So the mystery box went up. It used to be $30. Now it's $40.
What?
Yeah. Can you get the knot out? If not, just rip open the plastic.
There better be a reason why it went up.
Yeah, it better go up in value. Now, I didn't get a chance to research the prices. I'll look for them and post them below. So that way y'all know how it works out. All right.
We got 4 things in the mystery box.
Yes. What is yours?
Mine is lipstick.
Uh-oh. That can go either way. Good Lord. I'm a little cautious about that color.
I don't know, y'all. What y'all think?
The wrong pink make me look like I got a rash.
It's matte, right?
Yeah. I've never been a fan of matte either. I just grew up in the 90s and 2000s and everything was like super shiny on your lips. It kind of disappears on you.
But it'll last forever on you. Good gracious. Trying to take it.
So just in case you guys want to know, this is SPF 15. So Leslie. Oh yes, that's Leslie's color.
Yeah.
That's going to my sister Leslie.
She one of those people can wear any shade.
One day she's wearing like pink, the other day purple.
Purple, yeah, she's.
And it all looks good. I honestly think she can come in through here with green lipstick and it will be perfect. Okay, so this is clarifying cleanser. Directions. It's for your face. So put some warm water, lather it up, wash it off. And I'm almost out. So this is perfect. We got a hair clip.
What's that?
By Kitsch.
Everybody needs a hair clip.
Yes. Especially when I'm flat ironing this. This stuff needs to get pulled up.
If you got 3 inches of hair, you can use a hair clip.
There you go.
Other than that, don't let me see a hair clip on your hair.
No, you're just doing more damage.
Oh, this is cute.
Yes. A little purse. Okay, so this is a clutch. It has an opening up here. Oh, this is a travel bag.
Yeah, that's what that is.
For all your jewelry and stuff.
Yeah.
It has little individual pockets, so like your necklaces can get clipped here and hang here. You can put bracelets in here. This can be your makeup brushes. And these are individual sections, so this could be like your sponges, tiny brushes, lipstick stuff, your long brushes here. It got this big, huge pocket down here.
And it has this hook right here that you can hang right on the back of the bathroom door.
Oh, I didn't even see that.
Yeah, that's what that's for.
Oh my gosh. And in the back is a zipper part. You know, I love a good zipper part. And it actually has 2 little clamps. Like, oh, and it has little dots so you can put your ear and your studs in here.
So when you're traveling, you don't have to take all your stuff out. You just leave it in this bag and you hang it on the back of the bathroom door like this.
Oh my gosh, yes, and it's on the bathroom door. Oh, it's like your own little
so
cozy.
yeah, so you don't have to keep pulling everything out.
Okay.
It stays in.
That's my jam. I actually love that.
Especially if you don't want people in the hotel touching on your stuff.
Please don't touch my stuff.
I mean, you know, they move your stuff around because they have to clean. But if you don't want them touching on your stuff, this is what you do. You keep your shit in here.
And she knows my do not disturb stay on the whole time. But I actually love this one right here. This is coming with me to Vegas.
There you go.
So for $40, you got the travel kit, the cleanser, the clip, and the lipstick that's going to go to my sister. So you guys tell me if you thought that was worth $40. This bag right here made it worth it.
Yeah.
That right there made it worth it. Everything else couldn't care about. As long as I got that bag, I was good.
You got this.
Oh yes, this is my refill. So you guys know me and my mom go back and forth on this.
Live by it, y'all. I'm telling you. Get
Alchemist.
Get it. You will not be sorry. It is the best moisturizer.
Hey, every day.
Every day.
5 dots. Boom, 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 boom. Rub it in.
And this lasts for such a long time.
Yes.
It's definitely worth it now. I complain about the same thing every time. This top. Y'all, do something about this.
It takes thought to put that top back on.
Yes, I gotta put my glasses on so I can line it up so I can get it back on right to screw on, because if I don't, it's sideways.
Mine stays sideways.
I'm so afraid it's gonna dry up.
Until you told me, I thought there was something wrong with my cap. No, there's something wrong with the way this is manufactured.
Yes, they're not putting enough.
Please fix this, because it is
5 more cents so that we can get this off and put it back on straight.
Put 5 more cents to this top. Charge a 50 cent more.
Other than that, I have no complaints. This is some good
please
stuff.
Advertise on Bounce TV, TV One, and BET. I'm telling y'all got an untapped market.
Women of color. This is our moisturizer right here.
We're on Alchemist. Get you some.
Yep.
That is my refill. We got free Ricola this time. I think it's caramel flavored. I love Ricola.
I put it in my tea.
You do?
Mm-hmm. I'll drop one in my tea.
So I thought I was the only one who ate one every now and then just for...
No, I'll drop one.
I'll wait till I'm sick.
Yeah, no. When I'm feeling a little...
good, yeah. When you can kind of... Y'all know that feeling when you can feel it coming on. It's like, let me just get a little pre-active on this.
Yeah. But I'll drop one in my tea.
Yes. So, that's the whole box, you guys. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you got in your box. In fact, let me know what you got in your mystery box to see if we got the same thing. Because I think we get different stuff.
It's a mystery.
I think it's a mystery. I think they just going into the back, grabbing 4 things and shipping it out. Let me know if I'm right. Okay. In life, there's black and white. But with us, you're getting 2 shades of gray. Bye, guys.